Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you love the video.
I go come here teach just now. You say that. Hold this man in the first place.
Run!
I go come here teach just now before I go inside there.
It's shocking. Why are you running? Why are you running?
A few moments later.
God punish you finish, Abi. If you be this man, I swear to God, come out. I'll beat you, Nana.
Oh my God.
Wool up, wool up.
Come stand for my presence. I go scatter you just now.
Is it funny? No, it's not funny. Is it funny? No, it's not funny.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?